Hello everybody, my name is Kramer Nunez, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually purchase an X node, the new exciting product from IX Global. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to log into our back office, and we are going to go over here to where it says package purchase. Okay, and you're going to click where it says purchase add-ons only. Okay, and scroll down until you find the Nat G, if you're going to buy the Nat G, or if you want the black gold, you find that one. Okay, or alternatively, you can just go back to your dashboard, and underneath your profile picture and underneath what package you have, it says add-ons. Okay, and it'll show whatever add-ons you have. You can just click on purchase add-ons and it'll take you straight to that one page, so it saves us from clicking a few more clicks over here. Okay, let's find the Nat G, the 1X. Okay, we're going to buy one at $2,250. $2,250. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and go to checkout. Okay, double check that everything in the billing area is correct, and we pay this in crypto. I'm going to pay in Bitcoin, so I'm going to use BitTaps. But you can also use coin payments if you want. Okay, so let's go back to BitTaps and go to proceed to make payment. Okay. And this right here is very important. This is the amount that you actually have to pay to IX Global, the exact amount, okay, including the fees. Okay, this is the amount that IX has to receive in order for you to actually have made the purchase. So keep that in mind with any fees that your wallet or exchange is going to add on to this. Okay, this is the address where you're going to make the payment to. All right, and you have all this time to complete your transaction. Okay, so it's very important that you do not close out this window until everything is done. Otherwise, we'll receive your money, but it won't be tied to your account or to any purchase in particular. So it won't automatically create a temporary password for Debtbox, and then it won't give you a license. Now, once you actually finish payment, if this window is still running, you could hit I've already completed this. Already completed payment. Okay, but again, this is the amount that you're gonna have to pay. Make sure you add on any other fees, transaction fees to it, so that this is what you're getting at this address. So go ahead and copy that. Okay, for instance, in the case of Binance, it's going to charge me about 0.0002 to 0.0005 BTC in order to actually send this. So I'm going to have to add that to it. So it's going to say 0.0633 or 6, depending on what the fee is. Okay, so let's just go ahead and copy this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual phone when I'm making the payment.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to Binance or wallet you use, exchange, whatever. You're gonna go to your spot wallet. I was already there. Go ahead and click on withdraw, obviously through the crypto network. And here you're just gonna paste the address that we got from the pop-up window. Okay, Bitcoin network. And here we type in the amount in BTC. The amount we're supposed to send IX is 0.06310473. That's what they're supposed to receive. Okay, and as you can see here at the bottom, it says that there's going to be a network fee of 0.0002. Okay, so we're going to have to add that difference in order for the above amount to be fully received, or I guess fully sent over to IX. Okay, sometimes we go and we add this 2 to the 4th decimal place. So now it's going to be 0.06330473. Okay, so we fix that. Click on withdraw. Then we verify that everything's correct. We confirm the order. Sometimes with large amounts you get risk warnings. Just make sure you read it and that you fully understand what it says, and confirm that you do want to make this withdrawal. Sometimes you get these, sometimes you don't. Okay, now we get to do the verifications. First, I gotta send a verification to my phone. Okay, and there it is. So just copy, paste. Then I gotta send myself a code to my email. Should arrive any moment now. If you get impatient, you can always just go to your email and refresh. Okay, it's already here. Copy, paste. We copy this here code and paste it over here. And now we need the Google Authenticator code. Okay, we paste it over here and we submit. Okay, we've completed our withdrawal. It's processing. You'll receive an email once it's completed. You can look at the history. It says it's processing. And we can see here the estimated completion time, which is about an hour from now. Okay, so again, very important that we leave the other window open till payment is complete. After the hour is up and this withdrawal has been confirmed, it's gonna show up green like all these other ones right here. The IX system is going to detect that an order has been paid and it should assign a license to us. First of all, we'd have to actually create a DevBox account with a temporary code that they'll give us, temporary credentials. And then once we get our license assigned, we should be able to activate it. And then we can start mining away.
I hope this video helped you in order to be able to purchase this new and exciting product from IX Global, the X node powered by DevBox, where cryptos meet commodities. So hopefully these videos help you get a kickstart with your IX Global business and continue to grow and prosper. Thanks, and see you in the next one.